Today we shall study the climate of India. When it comes to the word climate, it refers to sum total of weather, conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, that is for more than 30 years. So if we study the weather conditions of India for more than 30 years, we come to the conclusion that climate of India is monsoon type of climate. Okay, if this is the definition of climate, then what is weather? It refers to a state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. That means if it is raining, we call it a rainy day and the weather is rain. It is cool outside, we say the weather is cool. Now these two words, that is climate and weather, they are made up of some elements, that is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. Now you may have observed that the weather conditions fluctuate very often within a day on the basis of generalized monthly atmospheric conditions. The year is divided into seasons such as winter, summer and rainy season. When it comes to India, the climate of India is described as monsoon type, and this type of climate is found mainly in the South and Southeast Asia. The word monsoon derived from the Arabic word mosam, which means rhythm of seasons or blowing of winds. Again in India, the winds blow from south to south, northeast and northeast to southwest. We shall study in detail them later. Now, India has got a monsoon type of climate. In spite of overall unity in the general pattern, there are clear regional variations that can be seen in climatic conditions within the country. Let us take the two important elements, that is temperature and precipitation, and examine how they vary from place to place and season to season. Now let us talk about temperature. If we take temperature, Burma in Rajasthan may record the temperature 48 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius on June, while it is hardly reaches to 22 degrees Celsius at Palgama or Gulmarg in Kashmir on the same day. However, in Dras near Kargil, the temperature may go down to minus 40 degrees Celsius during winter. Kerala has got a tropical climate with warm and moist air, whereas Punjab has continental climate with severe heat alternating with severe cold. The temperature touches minus 40 degrees Celsius in Kargil in the months of December, whereas Kerala reaches to 22 to 20 degrees Celsius in the same month. The annual range of temperature is 3 degrees Celsius along Malabar coast. The annual range of temperature means the difference between hottest and coldest months. So the difference is just 3 degrees Celsius along Malabar coast. The reason is moderating influence of the sea, whereas it is more than 20 degrees Celsius in the interiors. The reason it is away from the sea. So the difference between day and night temperature in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Kerala hardly 7 or 80 degrees Celsius, whereas in the Thar desert it is between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. It means if the day temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, the night temperature would be fall down to 22-25 degrees Celsius. Now let us know about the precipitation. Variations occur not only in the type of precipitation but also in the amount and the seasonal distribution. Snowfall occurs in Himalayas, whereas it only rains over the rest of the country. Cherrapunji and Mausinaram of Meghalaya gets about 1100 centimeters rain in the year, whereas Jaisalmer in Rajasthan hardly receives 9 centimeters of rainfall in a year. Tura in Meghalaya gets amount of rainfall in a single day which is equal to 10 years of rainfall at Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. The Coromandel coast remains dry in the month of July and August, whereas the Ganga Delta coastal plains and Odisha are hit by strong storms almost every third or fifth day during these months. Most parts of India receives rainfall during June to September, but coastal area of Tamil Nadu gets rain at the beginning of the winter season. These are the regional variations